This is Try
Some
Stuff.
Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do an oil change on this Mitsubishi Lancer 2004. It's a 4G18 engine. So let me get you set up a bit better and let's do this. So this is the filter we're going to use. This is not a sponsored product. It's a Euroman Filter Pro, and what's the part number? This is the part number. This filter cost what's it, about $2.50. So it's in South African rand, it's 50 bucks or 50 rand. The oil that we're using is 10W40. So I remove the cap, and you can also take your dipstick out and just leave it like that. I'm going to jack up the car a bit. I'm going to use a trolley jack and one of the stands. Better safe than sorry. Okay, so right in front of you, you'll see that's the drain plug, and this one here is the oil filter. And there it goes. Let's just clean up our mess. There we go. This one's easy. Man, it's slippery. Ooh, and there it goes. So I've put a little light film of oil on the seal, and I'm just going to put it back. And there we go. So now let's throw in the oil. So let's throw in the oil. I don't have a funnel, but this is a old soda bottle. So remember, the oil filter also has to fill up with oil, and we'll check that after we started the engine. You have to remember not to overfill it, otherwise we've got to take some out again. And it's right there. There you can see it. So we still have to start the car and then I'll recheck. But for this video we are done. Come on. There you go. So remember to put this back or you're gonna have a mess. Right. So now we'll just start the car to make sure the oil gets into the oil filter itself. So let's just run it for a minute. So that's enough. Now let's check again. So we have to throw in some more. That's why it's important to start the car. Wonderful funnel. So let's check again. All the way. And there it goes. It's right there. So we have success. Right. And now remember to put this on. Otherwise you're gonna have a big mess. So thank you very much for watching. So I'll see you in the next video.